excellence, empowering young minds with knowledge, innovation, and a competitive spirit. It is a university that excels in both academic and sports, producing champions who have made us proud at the inter-university, state, and national levels. Our athletes have displayed unwavering resilience, winning medals, breaking records, and proving that greatness is not given, it is earned. From footballers who sprint like the world, cricketers who strike with precision, to the athletes who leap beyond limits, and our sports stars who keep our university's flag flying high. Here at our institution, JNTU GV, sports is not just an activity, it is a culture, a legacy, and a way of life. And today, as we celebrate this grand sports day, let us carry forward this rich tradition of excellence and let us bring out the best in ourselves. Let's rise, run, and roar and make history.
Now it's time to welcome the esteemed dignitaries whose presence elevates this occasion. Their vision, leadership, and relentless support continues to inspire us. May I request everyone to kindly rise as we invite our distinguished guests onto the dais.
Let us welcome sir with a great round of applause.
నాయుడు గారు అటు స్టేజ్కి వచ్చారు ఏంటి.
Let's welcome our Vice Principal, Dr. G.J. Nagaraju sir, with great round of
కాన్సన్ట్రేట్. అటు ఓకే.
Let's welcome our distinguished guest, Kumari K. Lalta ma'am, with a great round of applause.
Let's welcome our distinguished guest, Sri V. Srinu.
Now it's time to
జూమ్ కలపండి జూమ్కి.
గణపతి మహాగణపతి మనసా స్మరామి మహాగణపతి మనసా స్మరామి మహాగణపతి మనసా స్మరామి మహాగణపతి మనసా స్మరామి వశిష్ఠ వామదేవాది వందిత మహాగణపతి మహాదేవసుతం మహాదేవసుతం గురుగుహనుతం మహాదేవసుతం గురుగుహనుతం మాలకోటి ప్రకాశం శాంతం మాలకోటి ప్రకాశం శాంతం మహాకావ్య నాటకాది ప్రియం మూషిక వాహన మోదక ప్రియం మహాకావ్య నాటకాది ప్రియం मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्
Dignitaries to join the lamp, please.
నాయుడు గారు దిగండి ఎడబండి నాయుడు గారు అటు వెళ్ళిపోండి ఇదే మెయిన్ సార్
To deliver the sports day report.
అసలు అలా తీసుకుని పంపించిన నువ్వు వెళ్ళి పని మీద
Respected Vice Chancellor Madam,
నేను పంపించి తీసుకుని పంపించి
D. Rajalakshmi Garu, today Chief Guest and guest of honor J. Suma Madam, Registrar of the University, and distinguished guest Kumar K. Lalita, Para Athletics, and Sri V. Srinivasarao Garu, weightlifting coach, and President of the program, Professor R. Rajeswarao Garu, Principal JNTGV, CEV, and Vice President, Vice Principal of the college, Dr. G.J. Nagaraj Garu, and faculty, students, a good evening and a warm welcome to the Sports Day Celebrations 2025. Let us we start with the blessings, and the university as well as the college supported in excellent manner to conduct this event. Now, I start the report from 2022 to 23, the achievements of the students from JNTGV. So I start with the academic year 2022 to 23. Our college students, 9 students represented JNTU Gurajada Vizianagaram in various participated All India and South Zone Inter-University Tournament for this academic year 2022 to 23. We sent almost all the games, and of course our students strived best, and selected for Kho men. Okay, that event is organized by JNT University Kakinada. T. Vijay Kumar from EEE branch and P. Guruvardhan from CSC, M. Teja from Civil Engineering. And Kabaddi men, the event took place at Bangalore University. R. Sham from Metallurgy Engineering and M. Teja from Civil Engineering and P. Nitin Kumar from Metallurgy. And for chess men, that event took place at SRM University, Chennai. A. Krishnavamsi from Civil Engineering, L. Sandhi from CSC, and women S. Lakshmi Sahati, chess women, CSC, SRM University, Chennai. These 9 people are selected for academic year 2022 to 23. And in the same academic year, we organized one program, that is University Kho men and women team selections for this academic year. For 23 to 24, for All India South Zone University, South Zone University, 12 people are represented from our university. Kho women, 2 people, that is the event took place at Central University of Tamil Nadu. N. Leela Devi, Mechanical Engineering, N. Sujata from Mechanical Engineering. From volleyball, 3 women, that event took place at Sri Padmavati Mahila Viswavidyalaya Tirupati. B. Mohan Lata, Metallurgy, O. Gayatri from CSC, P. Josna from CSC. And K. Suman from EEE, this is volleyball men. The event at VTU Karnataka. And T. Vijay Kumar, Kho men from EEE. That event took place at University of Calicut. And M. Teja, Kho men from Civil Engineering. For cricket, 1 man selected, M. Yogna Pawan Kumar, Mechanical Engineering. The event at Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai. And for basketball men, Naveen Chandu from CSC and the event at University of Kerala. From Metallurgy Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology, T. Surya Vivek, Kabaddi men, CSC from JNTU. That event took place at JNTU Kakinada. And in the academic year 23 to 24, our university men team who won the chess JNTU Inter-College Chess Men Tournament organized by Chaitanya Engineering College, Komadi, Visakhapatnam. And volleyball, women stood runners. The same JNTGV Inter-College Volleyball Women Tournament organized in Avanti Institute of Engineering and Technology. In the academic year 23 to 24, JNTU CV Department of Physical Education organized University Kho men and women team selections in this year. And from this year, students are encouraged to participate JNTU Premier League. Organized by the Department of Physical Education. The events are in cricket men, kabaddi men, volleyball men and throwball women, volleyball women for the academic year 23 to 24. For the academic year 24 to 25, 6 college students are represented to JNTU Gurujada Vizianagaram in various teams who participated in All India South Zone Inter-University Tournament for the academic year. Taekwondo women, R. Nagalakshmi Priya, L. Chandrika Yadav from EC and Mechanical. Okay, the university event took place at Guru Nanak Dev University. And Taekwondo men, L. Sandeep from CSC, B. Mohan Lata, volleyball women from Metallurgy Engineering, JPR University, Chennai. And M. Suvarna, volleyball women from Mechanical Engineering, JPR University, Chennai. And for Kabaddi men, R. Sham, okay, from Metallurgy Engineering. In this academic year, the JNTU GV Department of Physical Education organized volleyball women team selection trials. And same again, JNTU Premier League is also conducted in the same academic year. With the cricket men, kabaddi men, volleyball men, throwball women, volleyball women in the same academic year. And In the eve of National Sports Day, 29th August 2024, in this regard, again we conducted cricket, kabaddi, volleyball, badminton, kho-kho, throwball, women for this academic year. And the lastly, there is sports day. As regarding the sports day celebrations, we conducted around 18 different sports activity regarding this sports day. As usual for men and women, 18 different sports: volleyball, kabaddi, badminton, kho-kho, chess, basketball, cricket, table tennis, 100 meters run, 200 meters run, 400 meter run, 1.5 run, long jump, high jump, discus throw, shot put, javelin throw, and 400 relay. And for women also same, okay, with throw ball instead of basketball, throw ball, and shot put, javelin throw, 400 relay. 18 different games are conducted for both men and women. Instead of that, we also conducted for staff also, both men and women, badminton, cricket, volleyball, musical chair, badminton for women, throw ball, cricket, shot put, and discus throw. This is a brief report, okay, from 2022 to 2025. Different sports activities are conducted with help of the university administration. I thank university administration for giving this opportunity. And lastly, I conclude with one quote, that is very important for the sports spirit as well as education, whatever may be. This famous quote is given by Bruce Lee. He says like this: "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." That means he shows that very important practice is very much needed for any sport or game, and even in our education also. So this is very important, which is attracted me. That's why I read it. And Usain Bolt, a famous athlete, he says like this, because everyone started with worrying. Any incident or any game or anything you want to start, we start worry whether this event will be success or not. This happened to me also, of course. How the sports day will be going to be happen. In that, the Usain Bolt quote is very important. I stopped worrying about the start. So don't worry about your start. Okay, if you are not start, you try to start at this moment. But the end is what important. So starting is, if you worry about the starting, then you can never reach your end. So what is important for us is starting. Don't worry about the start, but what is important for us is an end. So with these two quotes, I stop my speech, and I thank organizers for giving this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
A mentor and a guiding force, let us welcome our esteemed principal, Professor R. Rajeshwar Rao sir, to share his wisdom of words.
So, good evening JNTU, GV. Good evening. Little bit louder. So wonderful. So pleasant evening today. On this auspicious occasion, I am honored to be here to stand before you to brief the importance of this sports day followed by annual day. So today's chief guest of this occasion, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor D. Rajalakshmi Garu, and guest of honor, Professor G. Jayasumma Garu, Registrar of the University, and distinguished guests, Lalita Garu, para-athletic, and V. Srinivas Rao Garu, boxing coach, and Vice Principal of the college, Professor G. J. Nagaraj Garu, and college sports coordinator, Dr. A. V. Paparao Garu, of the dais, teaching, non-teaching, my dear student friends, very good evening to all of you. See, to start with a quote, true strength is not in winning every game. See, this is the National Sports Day quote. True strength is not in winning every game, but never giving up on yourself. Every champion was once a beginner who refused to quit. Sports unite hearts and break barriers. So it's a universal language of passion and hope. So this is the, inspiring quote which was given by Government of India to mention the importance of sports and games in college days. So today we have, here we could able to, you people could able to witness two distinguished guests. One is Miss Killaka Lalita, International Para-Athlete, World Para-Athlete, Championship 2025, Grand Prix, Gold Medal 400 meters, Bronze Medal 1500 meters. See, her life is a lesson for all of us, especially for you students. She born and brought up from a remote village, a remote place, which is called as Gummalakshmipuram, which is located in Manyam district, and she could able to represent this great nation internationally. So that spirit you should inculcate. And one more guest we have here is V. Srinivas Rao Garu, who is a boxing coach now. He is champion in Asian Games 2010 and bronze medalist. See, he also hails from this, 7 kilometers away from this campus, which is a remote place. And when I was interacting with him just now, he told that how his life, was molded and how he got attracted towards this boxing. Weightlifting coach. How his, passion towards weightlifting was turned, and he was the first person to impress upon the public in this North Coastal Andhra, especially in Vijayanagaram district. So my dear student friends, why we have invited both of these two distinguished guests is, see, everybody will play, everybody will study and everything that we do. But these people who are sitting on the dais, they are inspiring people. So with these, you just look at the para-athlete Lalita and also V. Srinivas Rao Garu, and just imagine how difficulties they have undergone and they have come up and they have represented our great nation. So as part of this, in the capacity as a principal of this University College of Engineering, Vijayanagaram, so we not only impart the quality education and also we concentrate to develop the student in a well-nurtured manner for the holistic development of this student. See, what is holistic development means not only education. These days we all study, up to 10th class we used to study in schools, followed by intermediate in some other intermediate colleges. Then we directly come into, these engineering campus or professional education. But in order to develop these holistic education, as a mark, we have introduced yoga this year as a part of curriculum, and all the first year students are undergoing this yoga course also, which is taught by a renowned yoga guru, Ravi Kumar Garu. So sports have been an integral part of education. They instill discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and a spirit of sportsmanship. We strongly believe in encouraging our students to participate in various sports in intercollegiate, state and national levels. So, my dear student friends, education means not only getting marks or getting percentage in your, and getting degrees. Education means it's a spirit. Education means it's a holistic development. So the holistic, if we say holistic development means definitely sports and games are also included. So I don't want to take much of your time. Why? Because we have great people here to, to give inspiring speech regarding the sports day. So I thank the university officials, especially the Honorable Vice Chancellor and Registrar Madam and other administrators for encouraging us to conduct this sports day. I think tomorrow followed by annual day. So once again I thank and I wish. Many cups are waiting for you. Many gold medals are there to receive. Who are supposed to receive these medals? So my advanced congratulations to all of you, and thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Academics and sports. Great institutions are built by great leaders, and today we are privileged to have among us a leader whose unwavering commitment has strengthened this university. Ladies and gentlemen, let's extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Professor G. Jaisuma Madam, our Extreme Registrar.
Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam, Professor D. Rajalakshmi Garu, distinguished guests, Kumari K. Lalita and V. Srinivas Garu, Principal of College, Vice Principal, Sports Coordinator, and my dear faculty members and my dear students. Good evening to all the fraternity of sports. I congratulate all the winners and the runners for making this day a memorable. Your participation made the university or college officials to organize this sports day. Without your participation, we cannot organize this event. So here we have distinguished guests, Lalita, K. Lalita. She is the role model, the talent we cannot stop. She is an example for the talent that we cannot stop with the other hardships, whatever she is able to have. But as a technical students or engineering students, it is very important as you are growing in technology, as digital era or in this emerging technologies, it is the campus college is emphasizing that through technology or the sports is equivalent to the education, your education. So I congratulate Principal Sir, Vice Principal and Sports Coordinator for making this day a memorable one. My dear students, you are the pillars of the future. With your participation, we are able to meet here, and whatever the sports you have played, whatever the participation you have done, whether you have win or not, that does not tells us that importance of it, but the participation itself make you energetic. The participation itself make you fresh. We are in the digital world, but the COVID taught us in the time of pandemic situation, before COVID, the whole world is in technology, digital and everything emerging. Everyone thought that the life and the world will be the smooth path or a straight path to move on. But we are able to know after pandemic that the physical fitness also important in order to make a sound life. Sports teach us that failure isn't the end. It is the beginning of the growth. So always encourage yourself, motivate yourself to participate in this type of games. So we are lucky that our students, JNTU GV College of Engineering students, always are active in playing the games or the sports. The discipline that you are maintaining in the sports lead to the success for tomorrow. Every game you play, you learn or you play in the hardship that teaches you to rise after every fall. So you try to make sure that the failure is the stepping stone for the success. So always remember that, and I wish all the best to all my students for their participation as well as their success. All the best. Thank you.
Coordinator of JNTU GV, Dr. G. Appal Naidu sir, onto the dais with a great round of applause. Now I invite B. Jessica from second year ECE to invite our distinguished
A
guest.
very pleasant evening to one and all. I take privilege to welcome our distinguished guest, Kumari Killaka Lalita ma'am, a para-athlete whose dedication and achievements have broken barriers and inspired countless individuals. Killaka Lalita Garu was the first woman from Andhra Pradesh to participate in International Para Games, and also she is the first woman from Andhra Pradesh to win a gold medal in National Para Athletics. She has won 6 international medals and 24 national medals. Currently pursuing BA final year at Netra Vidyalayam Degree College, Hyderabad, and training at Sports Authority of India, Bengaluru, under coach Rahul Balakrishna Garu, Lalita Garu continues to push boundaries. Coming to her national achievements, Lalita Garu has won multiple gold and silver medals in Khelo India Para Games, National Para Games, and National Open Para Athletic Championships from 2018 to 25. International achievements Lalita Garu has earned are silver medal in 1500 meter race at Asian Para Games, China, and stood at 5th place in 7th World Para Grand Prix, Marrakech, in 1500 meter race and 400 meter race. She has also won silver medal in 400 meter race and bronze in 1500 meter race at 5th Indian Open Para Athletics Championship, Bengaluru, in the year 2023. Ma'am has won gold in 400 meter race, silver in 200 meter and 1500 meter race at 6th Indian Open Para Athletics Meet, Bengaluru, in the year 2024. Ma'am has also won gold medal in 400 meter race at World Para Athletics Grand Prix, New Delhi, in the year 2025. Killaka Lalita ma'am's journey is a testament to resilience, determination and excellence in para sports. Breaking barriers as Andhra Pradesh first women para athlete to achieve international success, she inspires many with her unwavering spirit and commitment. Her story is a beacon of hope for aspiring athletes, proving that with dedication, anything is possible. So now please join me in extending the warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guest, Kumari Killaka Lalitha ma'am, to grace us with the words of wisdom and share her valuable insights with us.
జై శ్రీమనారాయణ. నా పేరు కిల్లక లలిత. నేను గుల్లెంక విలేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. చిన్నజీయర్ స్వామీజీ నేత్ర విద్యాలయ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఒక అథ్లీట్ని. నేను నేషనల్ 2020లో ఆడాను. 2023లో పేరా ఏషియన్ గేమ్స్ ఆడాను. అందులో సిల్వర్ మెడల్ గెలుచుకున్నాను 1500 మీటర్స్లో. నాకు చిన్నజీయ స్వామీజీ ఎంతగానో హెల్ప్ చేశారు. నాకు ఏం కావాలన్నా అన్ని. మా టీచర్స్ కూడా నాకు చాలా సహాయం చేశారు. నాకు అందరు సహాయం చేసిన వాళ్ళందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. మా పేరెంట్స్ కూడా నాకు అన్నిటికీ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మా ఫాదరే నాకు చాలా అన్నిట్లోనూ సహాయం చేస్తారు. అలాగే మీరు కూడా గేమ్స్ బాగా ఆడి మీరు కూడా గేమ్స్ బాగా ఆడాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే చదువులు కూడా బాగా చదవాలి గేమ్స్తో పాటు. అప్పుడే గేమ్స్లో అన్నీ ఏదైనా కూడా తెలుస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
It was a great round of applause for her. And we all really thank you their parents for supporting her and giving us an inspiration to our generation. Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite P. Lavanya from 2nd EC to introduce our distinguished guest, Sri V. Srinivas Rao sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and sports enthusiasts, I am Lavanya from 2nd BTech EC. It is a great privilege to honor V. Srinivas Rao sir, a distinguished weightlifting coach and a former champion who has brought immense pride to our nation. His journey in weightlifting is an inspiration to all aspiring athletes. Born on October 20, 1981 in Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Srinivas Rao sir dedicated his life to the sport of weightlifting. After completing his 12th grade, he pursued weightlifting passionately and later served as a coach in the Indian Army, where he played a key role in shaping the future of young athletes. On the world stage, he has represented India in prestigious tournaments, providing his strength and skill in weightlifting. Some of his notable achievements include silver medal at the first Afro Asian Games in 2003, gold medal at the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship in 2009, bronze medal at the Commonwealth Games in 2010, participation in World Weightlifting Championships and multiple Asian Championships, bringing honor to our country. At the national level, Mr. Rao sir has dominated the weightlifting arena, winning multiple medals over the years. His key achievements include silver medals at the National Games in 2002, 2005 and 2007. Gold medals in the Senior National Weightlifting Championships in 2006, 7, 10, 11, 13 and 2015. Interstate gold overall winner in 2009. Beyond his medals and victories, V. Srinivas Rao sir is a mentor, a guide and an inspiration to countless young athletes. His dedication, discipline and passion continue to shape the future of Indian weightlifting. Today, we salute V. Srinivas Rao sir for his outstanding contribution to Indian sports. His story is not just about achievements, it is about hard work, perseverance and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Let us all give a huge round of applause for this exceptional champion and welcome Mr. Srinivas Rao sir to share their valuable insights with us.
Everyone, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడొచ్చా? వేదికపై ఉన్న పెద్దలందరికీ అలాగే JN2 College Sports Day celebration 2025. All medals winners, congrats. ఫస్ట్ నా గురించి కొంచెం మీకు వివరిస్తాను. దాని తర్వాత నేనొక వ్యవసాయం చేసే ఇంట్లో పుట్టాను. పూర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మాది. నియర్ విజయనగరం నుంచి 8 కిలోమీటర్ ఇన్ కొండగలగడ గ్రామం. వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ మన విజయనగరంలో ఎవరికి తెలియదు అసలు. నేను స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు అసలు మన దగ్గర ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కూడా లేదు మన జిల్లాలో. కొంతమంది తెలిసే ఉంటుంది, సంగిడి రాళ్ళు ఎత్తడం కానీ ఇలాంటివన్నీ కొన్ని జరిగాయి ఆ రోజుల్లో. అలాగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వచ్చి ఎప్పుడు 92, 91, 90 ఈ టైంలో కొండ వెలగాడి నుంచి విజయనగరం కోడ్రమత్ పార్క్లోకి వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఆ రోజు సైకిల్తో వచ్చి వెళ్ళేవాడిని నేను. అంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండేది. మెల్లిమెల్లిగా ఇంట్లో వారు సపోర్ట్ చేయకపోయినా కానీ స్టేట్ డిస్టిక్ లెవెల్ ఛాంపియన్ అయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి రిమైనింగ్ మనకి ఫుడ్, ఈరోజు వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ అంటే ఫుడ్ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫుడ్ లేకపోతే మనం చేయలేము. నార్మల్ గేమ్ వేరు, వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ గేమ్ వేరు. ఫుడ్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి కంటిన్యూ నాకు ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్స్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తే ఈవెన్ 2001, 2002, 2000 ఈ టైం వచ్చేసరికి నేను నేషనల్ ఛాంపియన్ అయిపోయినప్పటికీ. చాలా కష్టపడ్డాను దానికి. అదేవిధంగా మీరు కూడా కష్టపడాలని ఒక విన్నపం. దాని తర్వాత 2002 నేను డిఫెన్స్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ప్రజెంట్ డిఫెన్స్లో జూనియర్ కమిషన్ ఆఫీసర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నా అచీవ్మెంట్స్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ అమ్మాయి మీకు చెప్పింది. చెప్పుకుంటే చాలా ఉన్నాయి అవన్నీ. ఒక నార్మల్ గ్రామంలో పుట్టి ఏవైనా వరల్డ్లో మొత్తం తిరిగాను నేను. మీరు ఇప్పుడు మొబైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీ దగ్గర, నా పేరు ఒకసారి మొబైల్లో సెర్చ్ చేయండి మీరు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ నా దగ్గర ట్రైనింగ్ చేసే పిల్లలు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఉన్నారు నా దగ్గర. ఈవెన్ మై సన్ వల్లూరు అజయ్ బాబు, ఈవెన్ మీరు పేపర్ చూస్తుంటే ఈ మధ్యలో కూడా ఆయన కామన్వెల్త్ ఛాంపియన్ అయ్యాడు. ఆయన కూడా ఏషియన్ మెడలిస్టు, కామన్వెల్త్ మెడలిస్టు. ప్రజెంట్ ఇండియా టీంలో క్యాంపులో పటియాలా ఇన్ ట్రైనింగ్. అదే కాకుండా ఇంకా నా స్టూడెంట్స్ మరో 3 అమ్మాయిలు అక్కడే ఉన్నారు. ఇండియా క్యాంప్లో నా స్టూడెంట్ అమ్మాయిలు కూడా ఉన్నారు నా ట్రైనింగ్ చేసి, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లేయర్స్. సో ప్రజెంట్ ఇక్కడ కొండవేలగడ గ్రామంలో ఓన్ ఒక ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఈ మధ్యలో స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాను వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్. అలాగే ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే మన ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారితో మాట్లాడాను. ఏంటంటే మన JNT కాలేజ్లో ఒక వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ సెంటర్ తెరవమని ఆయన ఒక నా కోరిక. ఎందుకంటే ఇంత మన జిల్లాలో వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ అంటే మంచి పేరు ఉంది, మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు. అదే దానికి కూడా మన జిల్లాలో ఉండేటప్పుడు అంటే మన కాలేజ్ నుంచి కూడా కొంతమంది పిల్లలు తయారైతే బాగుంటుందని నా ఉద్దేశం. చూశాను మీ ఇక్కడ స్పోర్ట్స్ అన్నీ మొత్తం చెప్తే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ కూడా పిల్లలు. అంటే ఇంకా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాలి. ఏదో వచ్చాం కదా వెళ్ళిపోయాం కదా అంటే స్పోర్ట్స్లో మెడల్ విన్ అవ్వడం చాలా కష్టం. హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడే మనకు మెడల్స్ వస్తాయి. ఈవెన్ మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ 2 నుంచి 3 గంటలు కష్టపడాలి. దాంతోపాటు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అది లేకపోతే ఇది అవ్వదు, ఇది లేకపోతే అది అవ్వదు. ఇలా స్పోర్ట్స్కి మంచి వాల్యూ ఉంది ఇన్ని వరల్డ్లో. ఈవెన్ మన గవర్నమెంట్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు స్పోర్ట్స్కి మంచి సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తుంది మనది. అంచేత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న పిల్లలందరూ కూడా ఏంటంటే స్పోర్ట్స్ అంటే ఒక హెల్త్ కూడా మంచిది. ఈవెన్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ హెల్త్ రెండు. ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన JNT కాలేజ్ యాజమాన్యానికి ధన్యవాదములు.
your presence today is truly a source of motivation for all of us. At the heart of every great institution lies a visionary leader. We are privileged to have with us a dynamic academy, a beacon of excellence, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor D. Rajalakshmi Madam. We request you to enlighten us with your words.
Thank you, Teja Swarupini. ఈరోజు మీ అందరినీ చూస్తే నాకు చాలా ఎనర్జీ వచ్చింది. మరి ముఖ్యంగా యువర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్లెజెంట్ ఈవినింగ్ విత్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, I feel it's a great privilege to share my few ideas on this great stage. Why? Because we're having great people, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, Valluri Srinivasarao garu, great weightlifter, already Tejaswini and others, they have already mentioned about their records. He is not only a state or district championship, world weightlifter, and he has represented India, and he has we feel proud of him. From our north coastal area, he has represented our Vijayanagaram around the world. See, we really feel proud of you, sir, on this occasion. And another important person, Miss Lalita Kumari. నేను మేడం అనలేకపోతున్నానమ్మా, నా ఆశీస్సులు మీకు. పారా అథ్లెట్ ఇంత చిన్న ఏజ్లో మేడం, నాకు మళ్ళీ మేడం వస్తుందమ్మా. లలిత హ్యాస్ proved her talent irrespective of other circumstances. I really appreciate Lalita for your excellent record in your field. Already speakers చెప్పారు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు, పాపారావు గారు, రిజిస్ట్రార్ మేడం. Already they have mentioned about importance of sports. Participation is very much needed. With all your participation, today JNTU GV is in this glorious gathering. So my dear young student friends, winning is something. So participation is very, very important. Whether we lose or something, it's immaterial. This participation, spirit of participation. So this sportsmanship, here already government has also introduced this sports as one of curriculum. In this curriculum, 2 hours weekly for sports, I think. Mr. Nagaraj Garu, I think he has to tell about how many hours in our timetable the sports are included. So my dear student friends, here please make use of this sports. I really feel very, very happy whenever I am roaming in and around. Many of our students, you are playing with all your enthusiasm. As a Vice Chancellor of this university, I really appreciate all university college principals, including our great college, University College of Engineering. Here you are all encouraging all our students. On this occasion, my hearty congratulations to principal of this great University College of Engineering for arranging this sports day with all the innovations and all your medals and your spirit of sportsmanship. Already the sir has mentioned. On this occasion, I must congratulate 2 sports coordinators, Paparao Garu and Appalnayudu Garu, and above all, the main key person Nagaraj Garu, for all his effort for making all our students to play well in the campus. my hearty congratulations once again to all the student friends. మీరు గమనించుంటారు, అంటే ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఏంటంటే ఆట అనేది ప్రతి వాళ్ళలో మీరు గమనిస్తే మన వాళ్ళందరూ ఇక్కడ అందరూ తెలుగు వాళ్ళే అనుకుంటున్నాను, నన్ను ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ చేయాలి 2 minutes. ప్రతి మన మాట్లాడుట, తినుట, ఆడుట, చదువుట అన్నీ ఆటే ఉంది. సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ లైఫ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఆట. సో ఇక్కడ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇక్కడ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఈ ఆటలో మనం ఎంత సక్సెస్ అవుతున్నామో that is very very important, my dear young student friends. Once again, my hearty congratulations to all the winners and runners, and I know you're all waiting for your medals. My advanced congratulations for all the winners and runners. And once again, you please keep your spirit. The sportsman, this is some spirit. Already madam has mentioned, in this digital era, as a professor of computer science, I can say one thing. So you're all scheduled your routine activities from 9:30 to 4:30. Definitely you have to involve your academics and other activities, and you should play at least 1 hour in your playground. Then only you can have sound health and sound sleep, my dear young student friends. Even during my student life, I have enjoyed all these sports. Even of course, I'm not like Valluri Srinivasa Rao garu. Even I have some small entry in the sports. Even I'm also weightlifter, national weightlifter. I have represented only state, not at the level of country. Really, I feel proud of you, sir. I really inspired you to represent our North Coastal area at world level. I hope, definitely, sir has requested to introduce weightlifting set in this campus. If you students, you are interested, definitely here I'm promising that definitely I will provide this weightlifting facility also. Only thing is here, even at my 10th class during 84, during my 10th class I have represented. Only 1 year I have done my weightlifting, just 1 year. After that I have stopped due to various reasons, due to my academics and all. But this is not during that time there are so many limitations as a woman, but now you can cross all these things. So you please do participate in sports, and definitely I can say one thing, because of that spirit only now I'm very healthy, I can say that. And you can relax only with the sports only, not with cell phones or other things. My dear young student friends, please do play at least 1 hour. I hope definitely this legacy will continue in this campus, and I really feel proud with all my students for maintaining not only in academics, the discipline academics, you are also maintaining discipline in all other places wherever you are. It shows your discipline, and I really feel very very happy as a university head. I really feel very very happy with all my affiliated college principals, their encouragement to the students up to this level. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Once again, my blessings to Lalita and sir. Once again, hearty congratulations for representing Uttarandhra to all the places. Thank you very much. Thank you.
To drive this university towards new heights. Now comes a moment of gratitude. To honor the contributions of our esteemed dignitaries, we shall proceed with the felicitation ceremony. Their dedication and leadership continue to shape young minds and pave the way for brighter future. I now request Sri V. Srinivas Rao sir to kindly come forward to be felicitated in recognition of their esteemed contributions. I request our chief guest and all other dignitaries for felicitation. Now I call upon Jessica and Lavanya from ECE second year to distribute the prizes.
Of a college, that is JNTU GV Vijayanagaram, represented a college in various teams in All India South Zone Inter-University tournaments in the academic year 2023 to 2024 and 2024 to 2025. Now I call upon the students.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మీకు ఎటువంటి చిన్న ఆపర్చునిటీ వచ్చినా కూడా దాన్ని విడిచిపెట్టకుండా దాన్ని వినియోగించుకోండి. అది లేదు ఇది లేదు అనకుండా దాన్ని వినియోగించుకొని మీరు మంచిగా ఆడాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. నాకు ఇక్కడ పిలిచి ఇలా సన్మానం చేసినందుకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Metallurgy department represented our university in badminton. N. Naveen Chendu from CSC in basketball. Nalla Sujata from mechanical in Kho-Kho. N. Suvarna from mechanical in volleyball. L. Sandeep from CSC in taekwondo. L. Chandrika Yadav from mechanical in taekwondo. R. Nagalakshmi Priya from ECE in taekwondo. R. Sham from metallurgy in kabaddi.
Ready. Light.